Alright everybody, we're going to do this unboxing really quick of the Honda EU2200I. After I'm done with this generator, I'm going to put an hour meter on it. I'm going to put some oil in it. I'm going to put a magnetic oil dipstick in it, and then we're going to parallel it with this Yamaha AI power inverter generator. So this one has the 30 amp digital gauge, all that fun stuff. It's got clean power, but obviously it's not going to be as clean as the Honda. But the thing is that a lot of people, they buy these and then they'll go out and go buy another really expensive Honda, the companion. But you don't need to. You could buy an inexpensive AI power or any other name brand inverter generator and parallel them. Also, I'm not going to be using the parallel ports. We could. I'll even make a video doing it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a suicide plug right into here, right into here, out here, and that's it. So let me get to it. I'm not a professional YouTube person. Let me show you really quick. I'll post links to everything that I purchased for this. The reason why I got this one instead of the red one and screwing it on the outside and all that fun stuff, I got this I think for $19 off Amazon. And the reason why I went with this one is because you could change the battery and it won't lose its memory. So it's a tach, hour meter, and service meter, a whole bunch of fun stuff. I don't know if you guys got that, but and that's it. So let's see what else we got. Got this off Amazon. All right, this is the bracket. The bracket for the, like I said, I'm not a professional YouTube person, so let me put this down for a second, and then we'll open this up. There you go. Now meter's going to go here. This is going to mount inside the Honda, and that's it. So, what else did I get? I got this. Not too sure about it yet, but looks okay. Gonna blow out these threads a little bit. They're not too, they're kind of polished, so they're not too sharp. But it's going in metal, so that's fine. I'm not too sure if this is pressed in. Looks that way. I don't know if you guys can see, but it looks good. And that's the oil funnel, so we'll be using that. All right, so let me set up a spot here so I could show you guys what I'm doing. I'm gonna use this generator that I have for sale. I'll show you guys this one really quick. Just rebuilt that one. So let me put this here, and get the crack-a-lackin'. Let me see how I can set this up. You know what I should have bought off Amazon? One of those things to hold my phone. I was going to and I forgot, but here you go. That water went down the wrong pipe. Alright, so I just opened this up. I had purchased this oil previously, some regular oil just to break in. Let's see what we got. We got a manual. Looks like some warranty information. We don't need that right now. Alright. Let's see what we got. Smells like brand new. Gotta love that. Alright, since I never messed with this before, let's see. I know there's a whole bunch of YouTube videos out there, but I didn't watch them. Screwdriver. Take this screw out. Alright, that's nice and easy. Now, I've never installed one of these brackets before, so you guys are going to help me. Oh, looks like it's going to work. Looks nice and easy. It's going to go like that, so kind of flush like that. Very nice. Oh, you know what? I think I forgot my ratchet set. Yep, I forgot my ratchet set at work. Let's see. All these tools, no ratchet set. Let's see. You know what? I do have a driver kit in the house. I'm going to put you guys on pause really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back. Got some tools. So, what I wanted to see here is I wanted to open this up here. Just make sure you don't stick the blade out too much. You don't want to cut that wire. Alright, I was kind of hoping it was going to come with some mounting screws. No luck, but that's okay. We got 2 zip ties, which is good. We'll use that around the wire. Alright, that ain't bad. I see, so you can take it off and on. Alright, very cool. Alright, so what they did was, they got a piece of Velcro with a hole in the middle, so you can change the battery easily. So we're going to put that on. It's very clean right now, so we don't got to wipe it down with no alcohol or anything like that. You know what? Put this on really quick. And let me take it apart. So you got this piece and this piece of Velcro. want to be able to see the hole. I'm putting this on. All right. Beautiful. All right, so now we can access the battery, change that anytime we want. Put it on nice. It's nice. It's got the 3M adhesive, so it should last a long time on there. All right, very cool. Wasn't too sure how I was going to mount it, but now I know. Get my driver out. Very nice. Yep, that's where it's going to go. I'm in Florida, in Tampa Bay, and it is 60 degrees. So I'm actually able to work in my garage. Which is always nice. Okay, let's see. Do I have to buy a battery for this? Oh man, that's gonna be something else. Let's see. I don't think I dropped anything. All right. I might have to buy a battery. Let's see. Let's see if we have a battery. Oh, it's got a little piece of something or other in there. Let's see. Okay. Very good. All right. Now that should be good. We shall see. Look at that. All right, menu. Let's see what we got here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Job. Ooh. I don't know what's going on here. But we are going to find out. So, let me mount this. Oh yeah, that looks good. That looks very, very good. All right. Now we gotta get up to the spark plug wire, which should not be a big deal whatsoever. So let's do that. How are we gonna do it? Let's figure it out. Maybe we can go this way. Looks good to me. Leave a little slack here if I'm gonna change the battery. I'll probably pull that back in a minute. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wrap this around the spark plug wire a bunch of times. There's no wrong way or right way to do this. So that's one. You know what? I like it looking kind of clean, so I'm gonna leave. I could always undo this. Just want it to look nice and clean. So I'm gonna put a couple wraps around here. Probably gonna do like 5 wraps. I'm gonna get some electrical tape. Tape it up. This wire is a lot thicker than the cheaper ones. I have the cheaper one that I use just to adjust the carburetors on some of my small motors. And I'm gonna have it out here. I'll show it to you guys in a minute. This is a cheap one. Had it for about 1.5 years, and the battery still works, but you know what? When it dies, that's it, it dies. So, I don't know about you guys, but I'm planning on having this Honda for a very long time. So, probably never going to sell it. Always have it. So I figured, why not get one that takes a battery that I could just change out whenever something happens. So, that's what I'm going to do. Wrap this around one more time. Just like so. And then I am going to cut it. Now, usually I have a lot of good tools. And let me just show you guys what I'm doing over here. So we came through, wrapped it around. I'm going to twist this just so it's a lot tighter here. And that's it. It's going to give me a good reading on my my hours and RPMs there. So I'm going to cut it here. I'm going to tape it and zip tie it. And that's it. So let me just go find my wire cutters. I'll be right back. Alright, found my wire cutters right there. So, what I'm going to do is, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to wrap this around one more time, and then I'm going to cut it. So, let me try to do this with one hand. Wrap it around 7 times, give it a nice Nice tight wrap. I'm going to put you guys down over there so I can do it properly and then show you the outcome. Okay. Got some electrical tape. I put a zip tie through all my tapes here because I'm always losing them. So now if I find one, I find them all. Let's see. This one's 3M. Let's do some of this. Now I'm going to try to get this not on the actual spark plug wire. I'm just going to get it on the gauge wire. Because from heating up, it could get a little sticky and messy, and I wouldn't want that on the actual wire. All right, I'm going to put a little zip tie on there. That came with the kit. All right, there you go. Got the wires all wrapped around nice, taped it up nice. Looks good and professional. Got the meter. Looks beautiful. I gotta figure this out. I'm gonna read the video and directions and all that fun stuff. Looks like it's going to be interesting. Let me see. 2 buttons. Not too sure. Job. We will figure you out. Let's hold it down, see what happens. Nothing. Okay. Let's hold this one down, see what happens. Okay. That almost looks like a timer. Who knows? We're going to figure it out, though. All right. So, for the next goodie.